Welcome to Ninja Affiliate Marketing Hub. In this 3 video series, I have recorded 3 videos that are step by step on how to get started in the affiliate marketing business promoting digital products. This first video will be on finding a digital product to promote, and then the second video will be setting up an automated system to do all the selling of that digital product that we just found 24/7 nonstop. And then in the third video is on getting traffic. It will be how to get and send potential customers to that automated system that will do all the selling for me of the product that we are promoting. Hey, what's up, ninjas? I'm Will. So the reason for me creating this video series is because I see the cost of living going up and everything else is going up except for my paycheck. It's still the same. So I'm just like, what's up with that, right? So I have ventured out to wanting to change that and to find ways to create multiple streams of income so that my income can also go up. I've documented everything that I have learned and implemented on affiliate marketing that is promoting digital products. If you are brand new to affiliate marketing, welcome. This is your behind the scenes pass to watching me build this online affiliate marketing from scratch. I'm about to show you and share with you what I'm doing, what's working and what's not working. Right now, in this first video, I want to show how to find a digital product to promote and how to actually do the math to know how much money can be made. If you are ready, let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing is finding a product to promote as an affiliate marketer and then doing the math. So here's how I find my first affiliate product to promote. So there are 2 options. The first one is we can go to clickbank.com and create a free account and browse their inventory of products where I can earn a commission of 30% to 75%. So let's go on over there to clickbank.com and see. All right, so here we are on ClickBank Marketplace. This is for demonstration purposes only. These are the different offers: top offers, new offers, health, fitness, e-business, spiritual, self-help, home and garden, cooking, green park, business, and investing. So we can choose either one of these. So let's look at self-help. So as you can see, this the name of the product is the Loss Generator. The Gravity score of 68. Gravity score is a score based on the number of unique affiliate generating sales. So here it shows you 68% of affiliates are on ClickBank are promoting this product, and on average conversion is how much they are earning of $44.57. And if it's something that you want to promote, you just hit the promote and give you a link. And let's check out some other one. Gravity score of 71. Conversion is $46 per sale. And they have this one, Gravity score. The initial conversion, once you make a sale, is $50, and then it's a reoccurring product. So each month you will get $16.40 after the sale, which total $61. And if there's something that you want to promote, you just click this button, promote, and here it says that's where you would have to finish setting up our account to have our unique hop link that we will using to promote that product. So if you don't have one, you have to click this account to create your name, and it's going to bring us back to creating a profile. Here you just fill out all this information and click save, and then you're able to get your unique hop link. But we won't be promoting anything from ClickBank. I'm going to share with you the second option to promoting digital product as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so that was the first option on going to ClickBank, finding a digital product to promote that will enable me to earn a 30 to 75% commission on any of the products that I make a sale on. So the second option I want to introduce you to, it has the earning potential of 100% commission of each sale that I make. So in search to find a digital product to promote, I came across this company called Digital Growth Community that teaches how to promote digital products. So you might be wondering, why digital product? And that is because there aren't any overhead costs. There is no keeping any inventory and no shipping. I decided rather than investing in earning 30 to 75% commission, I invest in learning and developing my skill that will change with what's happening around me with AI advancing. So this will be the digital product that I will be promoting, and it give me the also gives me the resale right to the product, enabling me to earn 100% commission instead of that 30 to 75 commission on clickbank. Alright, so let me show you this digital growth community. Alright, so here we are over on digital growth community, and these are the products that you can sell. So the first product is a $100 product. This is the Launchpad 2.0, and these are the courses you get: how to get started, how to set up your online business, how to automate your system, the website that you just created, how to automate it, and how to create your empire, how to market on social media, and also a free ad getting strategy. So these are the courses that you get for the $100 product. Second product is the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint 2.0. This is the $300 product. You get everything in the $100 product, plus how to attract customers, storytelling, branding your business, crafting your message. And then the third product is the Digital Mastery Program 2.0. You get everything in the first two program, plus the live Zoom call whenever they have Zoom meeting, and the extra bonus is digital mastery, recurring income, affiliate marketing, and email marketing, building your list. And the fourth product is the Legacy Builder Program 2.0. This is the $900 program, and this is the one that I have that I will be promoting. And you get everything up the last three, plus extra bonuses, affiliate earning money, creating how to create your own community, live replay. You get the replay videos of the live calls and goals that'll show you how to hit your goals and other stuff. So this is the Legacy Builder Program 2.0. There's a $900 program that I will be promoting. So I'm gonna share with you, the income goal, how to set an income goal, and how to use one of these to promote to help you hit that income goal. All right, I'm here over on the whiteboard, and these are the four products that you have option to promote: the Launchpad for $100, the Passive Daily Blueprint for $300, Digital Mastery for $600, and then the Legacy Builder for $900. So let's say that we are promoting. Let's find our income goal first. So let's say that the income that I want to generate. Let's say that I want to do like $5,000 a month. Okay, and then I have my product. Find my product that I want to promote. Let's say that's the $900 product that I will be promoting. So to find the sales, I want to know how much sales I need to generate to hit that $5,000. So all we do is we take our income goal and we divide that by our commission, how much we make off of each product that we sell. So once we plug the numbers in, that's 5,000 divided by the $900 product that we be selling, and then this gives us, let's do the math on that one. So that's 5,000 divided by 900 equals 5.5. So let's be conservative and round that up to 6. Need 6 sales. So 6 sales of the $900 product will give me that $5,000 per month income. So that's how you figure out, which product. First figuring out what product you want to promote, and then what income goal you're trying to hit for the month, and then figuring out how much sale I need to generate of that product that I'm promoting to hit my income goal. And you can plug in whichever one. So if you have this $600 product, you just put that into the calculation, right? Your income goal is 5,000 divided by 600. So we need round it up to nine. So we need nine sales of the $600 product. That would give us $5,400 for the month, and that's how you figure out the month. And let's say even if your income goal is 10,000, and you just divide that into whatever product that you're promoting, and it gives you 11. So round it up to 12. Right. So we need 12 sales times the $900 product. It will give us 10,800, and that is how you know the math and how you find a product to promote. So as I said, it's best to promote a product, a high ticket product, where you can do the same amount of time, energy, and um, work that you put into selling, let's say the $100 product. It will be the same amount of time, energy, and work that you put into promoting a $900 product. So why not do the high ticket, and versus doing a product from ClickBank that only offers a 30 to 70% commission. That's what, 44. We saw one for $68 commission. So if we do 68, so let's do the math on that one. So if our income goal is 5,000 and we are earning commission of 60 with 68, then we need to do 73. So 74 sale of that product, which was 68. Yeah, will give us 5,000. So you see how many sales that we need to generate. 74 sale versus 6 sale. Okay, so all right. So once you figure out how much what product that you want to promote, what's your income goal, then you figure out how many sales you want to make, then you know that 6 sales of the product will earn you the $5,000 commission per month. All right. So in the next video, I'm gonna walk you through on the software that I'm using to promote this product, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and have it working for you 24/7, doing all the promoting, all the selling for you. All you have to do is just set it up once, and it does it repeatedly, non-stop. And it is a free software platform that you can use. It's a paid program, but this free version can also do exactly what we need to do. So in the next video, I'll show you on exactly how I'm setting up this system with this product, this $900 product. I'll look forward to working with you in the next video. All right.